Let's draw a cute doodle dog. Grab a piece of paper and some markers and draw with me. We're going to start with our black marker and we're going to make 2 circles for the eyes. We're going to then make a bubble in the top corner and a smaller bubble in the bottom corner, and we'll fill in the rest of the eye. Next, right below the eyes, we're going to make a big oval for the nose, and in the corner, a little bubble, and we'll just fill in the rest of the nose like this. Next, for the mouth, we'll just make a cute little curved line right under the nose. Now we're going to draw his bangs, and we're just going to make a little swoop, a loop, and another curved line back up like this. We're going to draw 3 little curved bumps down the side of his face, and we'll do 3 on the other side as well. And then we'll connect those with little half circles all the way across the bottom, just like this. I'm going to make a cloud shape up here for one of his ears, all the way around like this. And I'm going to do more little curves across the top and another poofy cloud shape on this side for his other ear. Starting right here under his chin, we're going to make another line of curved half circles to form his leg, and at the bottom here a larger curved shape for his paw, a little V here to make his chest. Now we'll do the same thing for his other leg, a nice big curve at the bottom for his paw, and we'll do 3 more little curves like this. Next we're going to kind of make a C shape with a bumpy curved line just like this to form his back paw. Starting on the other side of his head, we'll draw little curves all the way down like this and connect them to this back paw. And we'll put a little line here for his tummy. Finally, starting right about here on his back, we'll make a large, poofy cloud shape to give him a nice fluffy tail. Next, I'll put 3 little lines here for his claws, 3 more on this paw, 3 at the top right here, and then I'm going to draw 3 little circles for his paw pads and a big oval in the middle, just like that. I'm going to add a little bit of fluff to his chest with a couple of lines here and here, a little fluff on his face as well, and there we go. I'm going to use a light brown marker to color in his ears and tail and give him a couple of spots because that's how my family's doodle Buckley looks, but you can feel free to color in your doodle however you like. And there's our cute doodle dog. I hope you've had fun drawing with me. Subscribe for more Tiny Art Club. Thanks for watching.